Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair push shower. On the screen you can see my old push shower which has been leaking. I turn it on. Look at the water is being flooded. So first of all, I'm gonna detach it from the main line with the wrench, twist it back, there it is removed. Now this is the brand new one. Unpacking it, oil plug, nipples and the screws. Push shower and the connector pipe. This is the holder. Now the nipples in one end just push it on its mouth and lock it by its face. There it is, you can see. And with its face I'm going to lock it. This is another end where I'm going to attach the push shower. Nipples. Attaching it with the same way, just pushing a little bit and locking it with its face. See that? Now the push shower, twisting it, tightening it up, now the holder, I'm going to attach it with my wall and it's gonna hold it like that. There it is. Simply with the screws, attach it with the wall. It's done. Now this end, I'm gonna put it with the main line of water source. There it is, just twist it. Tighten it properly. Now it is ready to use. There I go. You can see the water is coming with its full force, no problem at all. So thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Goodbye.